Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here. Got another game board unboxing and review for you. This time it's the game called Cranium. The game for your whole brain. Now this is a good game for both adults and teenagers because there's there's no adult part of this anyway, but it makes more sense. It's not a children's game, it's more a bit more grown up. It's very heavy, this box as well. But let's get yourself inside. Cranium. On the back shows you what's inside. We have plasticine. Word of warning, do not eat this stuff. I'm not saying that I shouldn't warn you not to eat plasticine, but it just tastes disgusting. So, inside, calling all Craniacs. Registration board for, don't know, we never used it. And full how to play Cranium. If you want to look at that now, pause the video. And there you go. You're all up to date. So inside I've got the board, we'll get that in a second. Pot of Cranium clay. Now I'd probably recommend, if you're going to buy one of these on eBay, that you would get some new plasticine because it goes hard eventually anyway. This is just not modelling plasticine or clay. It's quite dry, brittle. Maybe there is a way of redoing plasticine. Put some oil in it or something, I don't know. But to the minute, it's not that good. So, can't even get the lid on. It's that unmalleable. There we go. So, inside you'll get 4 boxes, very much like Trivial Pursuit. Wordworm, Star Performer, Creative Cat, and Data Head. Enough piece of paper to shake a, loads of notebooks and stuff. We have been playing quite a few times on this. It's a drawing sort of guessing game sort of thing. A few pencils. I don't think they come with. I think that's what we've put in there. Egg timer, because you only have a certain amount of time to do your guessing. Those are your game pieces. A ball and a square. So you have red, green, blue, and yellow, and a very oddly shaped dice. 10-sided dice. It does kind of work as a dice. Yellow, green, 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 red, yellow, yellow, purple, blue. You know what I mean? Right. But the purple one doesn't mean that you've got parts there. Got anything else underneath? Nope, just the ABS plastic. Done. Now, what you would do, let's get the game board out, and since I can't fit this in the screen, let's have a look there. The red and the green parts, and you have the blue and the yellow parts at the bottom here. You'd all start off at the top, and the way we play it, you'll roll the dice. If you get, I think if you get a yellow, so it says the yellow's going first, you move to the yellow square. Then you'd take a wordworm. Yeah. You wouldn't show it anybody, but you'd look at the, yeah, that's the answer at the bottom there anyway. Actually, it's not, is it? Keep off the grass. Yes, it is. To win the blank out, your team must complete the puzzle below by filling the blanks. Right, hint, not on the lawn. So, you would be keep off the grass, but you must give that to your team, your partner. You must either act out or try not to say anything, but then you start the timer. So you only have that amount of time to get it right. If you did, you'd have another roll. So then you're blue, you only go to there, but you get a copycat. Everyone plays is Club Cranium, so everybody, all 4 players, 2 players, no matter how many you've got on there. Choose one artist from each team, if there's only players or if there's partners playing together. Draw clues on paper with no talking, letters or symbols. The first team to guess the answer. Right, the hint on these ones is thing. So it doesn't really help much. So then you pop over when they're drawing, would look at that and think, I need to draw dreadlocks. Which is easier said than done. Because let's have a go. I know what the dreadlocks are, and let's have a look. So you go, I don't know, you've got face, and you get hair, but then trying to draw a dreadlock. It's up to your imagination how you do this, how you draw a dreadlock. I don't know. It kind of, I've seen some people dreadlocks like that. That doesn't really make this a child-friendly game anymore. But you'd make your way all the way around. Once you're around to the centre, once you follow this line, black line and white line down, you'd have to guess from each of the segments one question, and once you've got all 4 done, you win the game. It is quite fun to go around. If you roll a purple, you go automatically from there straight to there. But there are other rules, I'm sure. We've played it that way around because it works for us, and if not, then there's all million ways that you can play your own different board games anyway. So yeah, if this isn't the way that it's supposed to be played, please comment below. If it is, if it's a new way that I've just found out, then fine, put me thumbs up. But there's Cranium for you. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed that. It's a very awkward game to play, Cranium, but it's very rewarding when you do. And on an adult side, if you've had a few drinks and there's a humming, there's one that you have to do with it's humming, and you could try and hum a theme tune or a music and stuff like that. It's challenging, should we say, when you just don't know what it is and you're giggling away like crazy. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'm planning other videos on the channel. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.